Hey guys, today we're gonna be upgrading our door light to a Tesla logo. So it will be the one under the driver and the passenger side door. Let me just check and show you. Alright, so the light that we're gonna be upgrading is this light here. Okay, that one. This is the Model X Tesla, and I will be showing you how to upgrade that light. So it's very simple. The light actually looks like this. Yeah, just like that. And you just need a flathead screwdriver. As you can see there on the side, there is like a little gap, just like this, and then just pop it out. See, it goes out on the other side as well here, and just pull it. And the wire actually is very short, so we will have to use it comes with an extension wire. We will be putting it here. So the wire just looks like that, and then we will put the wire like this here inside to insert it. Push it properly. Okay, so it looks like this now. Okay, that wire we just have to push in here, and we'll be using an electrical tape. We will tape this part because it might get loose and the wire goes inside, like this wire here, the short wire. Okay, so we'll just take out the clip, push it, and then it will come out. Okay, just this is the clip there, push it, and then pull out. There you go. So this is the original one, and this is the other one. As I said, the wire is quite short, see, and then we can just push it in there, and then we will tape it. Sorry guys, I'm just using one hand here. This is the thing now. This is the one I said that we will tape. From a regular light to this light, voila. And this is actually quite a bright LED, because if you look at that, it is not dark yet. So when it's dark, this would show up. Okay, all right, now this is the tape part. So I just taped it so it won't go out. So, and then just push it in to the hole there. Push into the hole, and whatever design or style, you can put it this way if you want, or this way. This is the door, so I would like to have it this way. So again, just push it. It will clip the same way as the other one. See, like that, it's flush. It's good. Just push it. No other tools needed here. Okay, and that's our light there. Right, let's start now. Let's open our car and let's check it out. Woohoo! That's our door. That's our light.